2013 Dodge Challenger Hemi RT. It's got the stock converters, then a factory X pipe, then it's got two FLOWMASTER 40 series mufflers, and then what we did is did a rear resonator, rear muffler delete right there and right there, and we reused the tips right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There's the FLOWMASTER 40s. There's the X pipe. There's what we've deleted. Right there. 'Let you guys hear it on the inside now. '2009 Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 liter Hemi. Beautiful white color. You got the stock catalytic converters. He's going to bring it back next week. We're going to put high flows into an X pipe, and then a factory X pipe. Then we did a mid muffler delete or resonator delete, and a mid and a rear delete, also muffler or resonator. Depends what you call it. Each person calls it differently. So I stopped saying it. There's the tips. There it is right there. And that's where it's been deleted. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Let us in the comments know what you thought about the sound. Dun, dun, dun. Hear the real power of Dodge. Much better. That's true power right there. Hemi. Much better?
Yeah.
Hemi, Hemi, Hemi. Get your money for the Hemi. Much better. RT Challenger. Got the stripes, the hood thingy, whatever that is. It's really nice. I like it. Let's see if he burns the tires. You think he's gonna do it? Yeah? Alright, let's see. 2016 Dodge Challenger Hemi RT. Still got everything stock. Catalytic converters. Got a factory X pipe. Got a factory mid muffler or mid resonator. And we did muffler resonator deletes or rear muffler deletes. And put some black staggered tips on it. Right there. Right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. beautiful. Come on, nice. 2009 Dodge Challenger RT V8 HEMI. Still got the stock converters there and there, factories. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then we put some FLOWMASTER Flow FX that you can, if you like to purchase, you can go in the comments, not comments, sorry, in the link below in the description. And then we did a muffler delete right there and right there. Rear muffler delete, and there's the FLOWMASTER FX again, and we reused his tips right there, right there. That's the mufflers and suitcase that was in the middle that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Dodge Challenger. You gotta go beast mode, bro. Show me what it's got when you leave. Much better. FLOWMASTER FX never disappoint. Nobody likes those mufflers. Always cut them off. RT Challenger. Got the stock outlet converters. Comes with a factory X pipe. We just put 2 MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS on it. And he brought it earlier and we straight piped the back. And put some blue flame tips on it. Right there. And right there. Got the blue stripes too on it. There's where the MAGNAFLOWs goes, the MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS. You always want to put them in the middle, they sound a lot better than off this back. And then a straight pipe after that. Got beautiful blue stripes right down the center. It's the RT. The MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS really tame it down. Just give it a nice deep tone. It's nice and deep now. No more raspiness, you know, when it's straight pipe. The Murder's out 10. Gives it a really beautiful look. Custom HEMI MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS on it.